Okay, I'm here to test fly this today. Our M400 agriculture drone. Let's do a pre-takeoff safety check first. Confirm the tightness of this blade of it. The tightness of the motor. And see if ours is clamped. We should check this nozzle below us. Is this buckle clamped tightly? Centrifugal nozzle this location. And I've now got 3 batteries plugged in. It didn't turn on. So here's what we're going to do. Turn on our remote first. Be sure to turn our remote control on first, then turn on our battery. Let's turn on our batteries now. Only waiting for our plain tail lights. Just flashing green. And our performance has correctly entered the GPS. Wait a minute now, waiting for our retake, and this GPS sign, it turns green. Okay, it's a little green here. So what happens next? Check the motor. That's where our pre-flight tests are.